is Lisa and I am the owner of Lollipop Box Club, and today I have the April kit, Raining Cats and Dogs. I've been wanting to kind of do a pet themed kit, but I know pets aren't everyone's thing. I do get asked a lot for cats and dogs, so I thought this month with the whole Raining Cats and Dogs thing, I thought it would be a really good way to actually bring some cute little furry pets into a kit, but actually this is also very much a weather themed kit, which is obviously perfect for this time of year, as April is known for having every single type of weather. Well, it is where we live anyway. So don't be put off if cats and dogs aren't your thing. There's lots and lots of other things for you in this kit too. So hopefully it's a kit for everyone, and it's obviously a rainy kit, but it's full of colour and happiness as well. So maybe something to brighten those rainy days. Let's jump in. I can't wait for you to see. As always, I always say that I'm opening this kit before the kits have actually gone out. They're due to be posted on the 17th of April. So I will not be opening all the little packages inside, as I still want an element of surprise for those of you receiving the kit who have ordered it. So not everything gets opened. Starts off with a postcard. April showers bring May flowers. Let's hope they do, as right now it's absolutely pouring with rain out there. And then as we open the kit, a little tag, some confetti, and there's your first glimpse of your April 2018 kit. We have got a very cute little embellishment there, a smiley umbrella, handmade by Andy's Accessories. She makes all the lovely felt and fabric bits and pieces for us, and you can use this as an embellishment on your journal, scrapbooking projects, or you can also add a clip to it quite easily with a glue gun or other glues and turn it into a planner clip. A mystery gift for you. Every month there is a mystery gift inside the kit, and I don't share any sneaks of this, so it is completely a surprise, and I tend to keep the DIY kits a surprise as well actually, so there's a little surprise there for you as well. Inside here we also have a treat bag. I'm not going to show you everything inside here. We are, however, collaborating this month with My Pretty Week, and we have planner tabs to match the kit, which I also use as scrapbooking embellishments as well. They're really handy. And I've also got this month's exclusive embellishment postcard. I love these. I love cutting them out and adding them on my creative journaling, on my scrapbooking, and in my planner as well. And we've also got, you will receive 3 of these busy day lists. You know how much I love to be organised. I love a list, and I just love having a different list every month. I've got so many pads of lists, but it's just always fun having something different, and they just inspire me to stay organised in the day. So I like them, so I like to add them in the kits. These are also available as downloads. All the downloads are available on the website. If you go to the website, at the top you will see all the little buttons, and there is a downloads button, so you can see all the downloads throughout the months. And if you are a subscriber, there is always a if you are a subscriber, there is always a code inside your kit, and you get to download these for free, so you can print off as many as you wish. So they're inside the treat bags, and there's other various treats in there as well. And there's another treat bag this month, because I know how much you love your treats, and I keep being told that the treat bags are your favourite part inside the kit, and there's some really cute ones in there. So that's 2 cute bags, or 2 treat bags even. We've got Flair from Happy Scatter. The lovely Jennifer has hand drawn these and turned them into Flair. Aren't they cute? And we've also got an exclusive stamp set. These are 3 individual stamps. I have used them as a set of stamp as well. If you pop them on the acrylic block side by side, you can use them as one, or you can use them individually as well. So you've got the best of both worlds there. We have an orange lollipop this month, which is actually cola flavour. We have an exclusive stencil. I love the raindrops. They are so adorable and so easy to use. You can just use them any way you wish. Either that way or that way. I love a stencil. We also have exclusive stickers. These are from Beautiful Planning. The lovely Tash does our stickers every month. They are such beautiful colours and so cute. And then we've also got your exclusive papers, which I have here to show you. Every month you get a set of papers. They're lovely quality card, one-sided, and you get 2 of each design, and these are exclusively designed for us here. So you can't buy these anywhere else. I think that one's my favourite. I love that one. Then we've got umbrellas, and again you can cut them out and actually use them as embellishments if you wish. You don't have to just use the papers. We've got like a sky blue to go with our clouds. We have got cats and dogs because obviously we're raining cats and dogs this month. And then we've got this week your list, your planner lists, and this is also one of the downloads as well, so you will get to print this off. And then we've also got the April calendar, which if you got last month's kit, that's also in there. And underneath is May, which I won't show you for now because that will give away next month's kit. But if you've seen my sneak on Instagram, you will see. If you don't follow me on Instagram, just head over to Lollipop Box Club and you get to see lots of extra sneaks there. So that's also available as a printable. So you've got 2 printables and you've got 2 in each. So that is this month's kit. I hope you like the look of it. I have also got add-ons for you. I will link those up below. Every month I like to try and add a few extra bits and pieces. Some people do share their kits. So if you're sharing yours with your child or your grandchild or your neighbour or your friend, you can buy a few extra bits. Treat bags, stickers, stamps. What else have we got? Oh, the mystery gift, the DIY kit, the stencil, and then we've also got a few extra bits and pieces. I love my mixed media. So we've got some ink sprays this month and they all match. So we've got some pink and some lovely orangey. This is called Pure Sunshine. It's such a happy colour. I'll show you the paint. Isn't that amazing? I love that. That really is sunshine in a pot. And then we've got the Midnight After Midnight, which is a deep blue, and we've got rose quartz, and we've got slate grey. I love these paints. The Dilutions paints are so lovely and thick. And there's also some planner clips and another set of stamps, actually, a cute big set of 26 pet stamps as well. I will link them all up below, and you can add these to your kit. I hope you like the look of this. Any questions, please do ask. And like I said, please follow me on Instagram and also head over to Facebook. We have a lovely chat group there. I always release everything to the chat group first. So for example, when I have add-ons, when I have offers, sales, bargain boxes, anything like that, it goes out to the chat group first. So it's worth joining the chat group just so that you can be first in line for any offers. And again, that link is below. Thank you so much. The kits go out on the 17th of this month, and there's still a few left. So again, the link is below, so please grab one now. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.